Hey everyone, JT here, back with another video. A few weeks ago, I published a video about my trial of fence-mounted solar panels. Once I had the panels in place, my OCD started to itch and I needed to come up with a solution to tidy up the cabling. Now, I could have used these things, these little cheap cable clips. I don't know if you've ever tried these things, but they are the bane of my life. I'm constantly hitting my fingers with a hammer, trying to hold down the tiny nail. So I decided I'm going to design my own and I'm going to 3D print them. Now I know what you're thinking. These clips are like 1p each. And at best, any 3D printed alternative is going to cost a lot more. That's absolutely true. But sometimes the fun is in designing your own. Now I'm not a design guru at all. In fact, I'm no design anything. But functional, I can do. So let's jump across into Fusion 360 and let's knock up a prototype. So here's our clip. It's at least 20 times larger than the little white ones, but it's designed for the type of cables I want it to hold. It's a non-permanent solution and it requires no swearing when I hit myself with a hammer. So it's not pretty, but it does work. Given that these are going to be on the fence for a year, and I want to see nice straight cables, these absolutely accomplish that goal. Now, if any of you out there can come up with something better, please do reach out in the comments. I'd be happy to test your designs. Just send me the STL file, I will print them off and I will try them out. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If I'm lucky, I'll see you back here for the next one.